Look at this mess. So many dishes. Roll up sleeves. Turn on the water. Make it warm. Add some soap. Get some suds going. Start with the easy stuff. Rinse out a cup. Scrub the rim. Rinse it off. Set it aside. Grab a bowl. Pour out what's left. Rinse it out. Scrub it clean. Set it aside. Now for the plates. Scrape off the leftovers. Into the trash. Scrub the front. Flip it over. Scrub the back. Rinse it off. One down. Next one. And another one. Almost there. Time for the silverware. Wash up the forks. Wash up the spoons. Wash up the knives. Rinse everything off. Not too bad. Wait. Missed a spot. Go back. Scrub it again. That's better. Reach for another plate. Uh-oh. Too slippery. Don't do it. Don't. Seriously? A broken plate. Great. Just great. Pick up the big pieces. Throw them away. Grab a dustpan. Sweep up the tiny pieces. Check the floor. Find another piece. And another one. Okay. Back to the dishes. Wash the last plate. Rinse off the pan. Scrub the handle. Rinse everything one more time. Turn off the water. Shake off the extra water. Load up the drying rack. Wipe down the counter. Rinse out the sponge. Squeeze it out. Put it away. Finally done! See you in the next English mission.